In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add social media icons to your WordPress website. Let's get started right away. So you want to sign into your WordPress account, then click on plugins and click on add new. Now once you're here, you want to search for menu image, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now. So search for menu image and then you want to install this one right here. So install this plugin and make sure you keep watching to find out how you can actually activate it and how you can actually make it work. So next up, you want to click on activate right there. Right there, click on allow and continue. And all you need to do is set this up, okay? So make sure that you activate this and it's going to send you over to this page. Now, once you're on here, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is click on save changes. And once you've done that, you want to click on appearance and then click on menus right there. So once again, appearance and then menus, which is going to send you over to this page. Now right there, you can then add a new name. So I'm going to name this social media and then click on create menu right there. What you can do next is click on custom links. So click on the arrow so that you can launch this and you can then start adding your social media profiles. So let's say that I want to add my Instagram page. All you need to do is then type in www.instagram.com/ and then basically type in your Instagram username. Now you can do it like this, but you can also just go to your Instagram page and then copy the URL from the page itself. Right there, you can then say Instagram because it's the link for my Instagram page. And then right there, click on add to menu. And there you go. So right now, Instagram will show up right here. Now what you can do next is click on this arrow and you can then click right there on menu image and then click on set image right there. And you can then upload your files. Now you want to make sure to have a good Instagram picture. So I recommend going to a website that's called Pixabay. It's free stock footage. Now if you then search for Instagram on Pixabay and you click right there and click on vectors, I'm not sure why this is in Dutch right now. I'm in the Netherlands, which is why, but normally this website is always in English for me. But right here you will then be able to find some good vectors such as this one or this one, that one, this one, and I'm pretty sure you can also find the Instagram logo itself. If not, then all you need to do is simply search for Instagram logo PNG. You want to make sure that it's a PNG file, so without any backgrounds. Now I already have those, so I'm going to click on select files and I'm just going to find it. It should be somewhere in here. So I already have all of these social media icons for my YouTube thumbnails, but right now I'm going to upload the Instagram icon. We'll have to wait. There you go. Click on select and then click on save menu, and that's exactly how you can add social media icons on your website. If you want to add more, you can click on custom links, type in the URL, add link text, click on add to menu, then go back into this menu and click on menu image so that you can actually add it. Now you can also play around with these sizes, so you can choose these. I wouldn't like play around with this because they're already at the right size. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can add your social media icons to your WordPress website. And click on save menu right there. And that should be it. And that's exactly how you can do this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.